We are all a beautiful planet in the Earth. This Earth is full of cleanliness and many attractive things of nature. Nature is more than our brothers. Nature is helping us live with water. Water, air, food, space for living and many types of fruits, trees, plants. Vegetables, flowers, etc. But sometimes it feels, what are all of us? Doing for nature? Are you exploiting nature, or contributing to its progress and good? This question is very big and serious. Sometimes it seems that the Earth is in a big danger. Are we the cause of the biggest danger? Think a little or not. Whatever it is, the beauty of the Earth is decreasing. It seems that nature is angry and changing its moves so that we can get some seeks from it. We know a lot, yet we remain unknown. We are engaged in cutting trees, digging soil, physical and mineral wealth by starting pollution for our happiness, prosperity, and comfort. How many days will it work? We will have to ask this question seriously again. And again. We will also have to answer this. You guys are seeing. Sometimes in some places it is getting very cold or very hot. And what was happening at some places is also not happening. The truth is changing a lot.